आज के लेक्चर में हम कैलकुलस ऑफ वेरिएशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। इसे हम शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं COV, कैलकुलस ऑफ वेरिएशन। फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज फंक्शनल। फंक्शनल डेफिनेशन देखेंगे। इफ S be a set of functions, S be not be a set of number, S be a set of function, then any function from S to R is called functional. In other words, functional is a function whose domain is set of functions. यहां एक डेफिनेशन लिखा हुआ है, let S be a set of functions. Let f from S to R be a real valued function. Such functions are known as functional. In other words, functional is a real valued function whose domain is a set of functions. Example, suppose S is equal to C of 0. C of 01 set of all continuous functions on closed interval 01. Then let I from C of 01 to R defined by I of y is function is equal to integral 0 to 1 yx dx. Then I is a functional. It is function from set of functions to a real number, so it is functional. Example of functional. Here we can find for which function y the functional iy has maximum or minimum value. हमने एक टेबल बनाया, x लीजिए। यहाँ पे जब हम वैल्यू x लेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा, I if y equal to x, then iy is equal to x square by 2 means 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. If y equal to x square, then iy is equal to x cube by 3 means 1 by 3 is equal to 0.33. If y equal to x cube, then iy is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. If we take y equal to constant function, y equal to 1, then iy is equal to 1. From this table, it is clear that for y x equal to 1, iy is maximum, and if we take y equal to x cube, then it is minimum. But in this set, not finite number of functions lies. Infinitely many functions lie in this set. So how we can find function y for which functional iy is minimum or maximum? C of 1 A comma B, ये always stand for set of all functions having continuous first order derivative. Cn A comma B is equal to set of all functions having continuous nth order derivatives. It is notation of set of functions having continuous nth order derivative. Let I from Cn A to B to R be a functional defined by I of y is equal to integral function of some function, it is arbitrary function f of x y y dash dx limit from A to B subject to boundary condition y of A is equal to y1, y of B is equal to y2. हम कैलकुलस ऑफ वेरिएशन में ऐसे फंक्शन को फाइंड आउट करेंगे जिसके लिए फंक्शनल आई वाई या तो मैक्सिमम हो या मिनिमम हो। जिस y के लिए फंक्शनल आई वाई मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम होगा, ऐसे y को हम एक्सट्रीमाइजिंग फंक्शन या एक्सट्रीमल कहते हैं और करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ आई वाई को हम लोग एक्सट्रीमम या एक्सट्रीम वैल्यू कहते हैं। The function y for which iy is either maximum or minimum is called extremal or extremizing functional and corresponding value of iy is called extremum or extreme value.